industry and imagine the skills of the future, artificial intelligence is at the top of the list. We've already seen a huge demand for this skill set. Machine learning is a form of AI that is the next wave of transformative technology that will change life and society in ways that we can't even begin to imagine yet. Just as cell phone transforms societies, so will AI and ML. Today, ML is used to fight crime, predict cancer, determine who will get a loan, identify potential job candidates, recommend products for purchase, and the list goes on. How will this technology be used in the future? Well, that is up to you and me, the innovators and engineers using technology to advance society. As an engineer, this is a skill that you want to have in your tool belt because it will not only make you marketable, it will allow you to set the stage for the future and be at the forefront of societal transformation. Congratulations for taking the first step. AWS is leading the way by providing tools that put AI and ML in the hands of everyday software developers and engineers. AWS does most of the heavy lifting, allowing you to innovate rapidly and place your ideas in the hands of millions with ease. I've reviewed other AI and ML offerings by other cloud service providers, but none of them come close to offering the wide array of easy-to-use services like AWS. AWS also shines because if you're a beginner, the tools and services allow you to stay as high level as you want, or go as deep as you want if you're an advanced user. AWS offers ultimate speed and flexibility. The best way to learn about how to implement AI and ML applications using AWS is to have a real-world use case that you are trying to develop. The beauty of this course is that through practical, hands-on exercises, you will learn how to harness the power of the cloud in AWS by building real-world use cases that you can further expand on after the course. It is also important to understand the foundational services first, so that is where I start. I first teach you foundational services like Lambda and S3, and then we build upon those services with the AI and ML services by introducing natural language processing and topic modeling, conversational applications and chatbots, and computer vision and facial recognition. Now, there has been a lot of hype about AI and ML algorithms lately, causing some people to believe that machines can be totally trusted to be objective because they don't have the same inherent biases that humans do. Unfortunately, this is a common misconception that is just not true. Machines oftentimes exhibit bias because the engineer programming the machine passes on his or her own personal biases, either through a training data set that lacks diversity or by simply telling the machine what is important. There have been several horror stories where AI has amplified racial profiling, the spreading of rumors and disinformation, and even societal bias. As engineers, we have moral and ethical obligations to ensure the systems we develop don't destroy people's lives and provide a more fair and equitable future.